Today we're going to work on fraction and whole number multiplication. You've recently worked on finding the product of a fraction and a whole number by using a model. Five sixths, 5/6, and 5/6. 5/6 plus 5/6 plus 5/6 equals 15/6. We know that 15/6 is an improper fraction. So now we want to change this improper fraction to a mixed number. How many times does 6 go into 15? That's right, 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12, with how many left over to get to 15? 3. Out of the denominator of 6. We can check that. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3, 15. Now, I know what all of you are thinking. This number, this mixed number, can be simplified. They both have, in this fraction, something in common. They both can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. I've written an expression here, 3 times 2/5. We're going to work this problem out without using a model. And all we're going to do for this is multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator, and simplify. The main thing to remember is that a 3, the whole number, is equivalent to 3 out of 1, written as a fraction, times 2/5 equals 3 times 2 over 1 times 5. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. 6/5 is called, that's right, an improper fraction. Let's write this answer as a mixed number in simplest form. We're going to do one more problem together. 2/3 times 5. We know that we're going to multiply the numerator, we're going to multiply the denominator, then simplify. 2 times 5 over 3 times 5, 3 times 1. Very good. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 1 is 3. And 10/3 is an improper fraction. We're going to change this improper fraction to a mixed number in simplest form. 10 divided by 3 is 3, with 1 left over out of the denominator of 3. And we can double check that. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10 out of 3. So the product, 2/3 times 5, is 3 1/3. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Right now, I want you to get more practice on page 437. And of course, I want you to try those real world problems. Be confident, guys. Happy learning.